Hello everyone, welcome to the guitar tutorial for Pirates of the Caribbean, the theme song. Let's see the scale. So the scale is A, C, D, E, F, G, A and A sharp or B flat. You can call it A sharp or B flat. So this is the scale. Pretty much all the song is played on this scale except one or two that we'll see in the detail. In the very beginning, there is a small piece that starts at D string. So what's happening here is, on the D string we play it open, the third string from the top. So immediately after this piece, the song begins at A note. For this tutorial, I have divided the song into 3 parts, and each parts have few lines that we'll see into the detail. One important point that you may notice in the notation is the song is not starting at the first beat. The song is actually starting at the last beat of the previous line. Every time the note A and C, note A which is at D string 7th fret and C which is G string 5th fret. So this two notes happens at the end of the previous line. This may be a little annoying for reading purpose, but that's how the song is actually composed. We can understand it in this way. The chords are falling at the note D. So you see the chord is not starting at here. Yeah? So what do we do here when we play the chord? We play when the chords are played like this. Yeah. Let's see how line 1 starts. The line 1 begins from D string 7th fret and then goes to G string 5th fret, 7th fret, and then goes to B string 5th fret, 6th fret and 7th fret. There is a slight hammer on G string at fret 5 and fret 7. Let's see how the line 1 is played. This was line 1. Now let's see the line 2. Line 2 starts from 7th fret on D string. For line 2 we skip the 5th fret on B string. This is one of the tricky part where we jump from 5th fret on string E all the way to 7th fret on G string. The last beat on the line 2 starts at 7th fret on G string. Let's hear the line 2. Let's see how line 1 and line 2 sounds together. This was line 1 and line 2 together. The line 3 is exactly same as line 1 and the line 4 is similar to line 2, but there is a small change in the last beat. Let's see the line 4 and see how different it is from line 2. This was ending part of line 2. This was ending part of line 4. Let's see how part 1 and part 2 get connected. This is the ending of part 1 line 4 and the beginning of part 2 line 1. One more time. What's happening here is we are playing the shape of chord A, 5th fret on E string, again 5th fret on B string, then 6th fret on G string and 7th fret on D string. One more time. After that, what's happening here is we are playing the shape of A chord and then 1 fret down, shape of A sharp. Now see how we connect to the line. The ending of line 1 and connecting it with line 2. Please note that there is a C sharp. What is happening here is we are playing the D minor shape and C major shape. After this, together on D and A string, 5th fret, 3rd fret, 2nd fret and open. One more time. Together on D and A string. Let's see line 1 and line 2 together. With this we are halfway done for the part 2. Let's see line 3 and line 4 now. This was line 3. Let's see it a bit slow. Starts at 7th fret on G string. Now let's see the line 4. Starts at 7th fret on G string. After that again from 7th fret on G string. Let's see the line 4 again. Now let's see line 3 and line 4 together, connecting from line 2. So this was end of the part 2. Now let's move to the part 3, which is a very small one. What's happening here is we are playing 3 different shapes: D minor, B flat, F major. 5th, 6th and 7th on E, B and G string. 6th fret on E string, 6th fret on B string and 7th fret on G string. 5th fret on E string, 6th fret on B string, 5th fret on G string. Let's see again. D minor shape, B flat shape, F major shape. One more time. From 5th fret on E string to 8th fret on B string. After that, there is one quick piece. What's happening here? Let's see again. So this was end of the part 3, and with that we have completed our song.